Hello, students. My name is Claudia Avar, and I am a teacher in District 4. I'm also a virtual content specialist for kindergarten. So I'm one of the teachers that helps your teacher with some of the things that we need to do online. So we wanted to create a video because you're going to have a lesson this week, which is going to ask you to draw on Google Slides. So we wanted to go ahead and help you. The lesson that you're going to be looking at is Module 6, Day 1. How can we use the words first, second, and third? I'm going to share with you some of the things that your teachers are going to ask you to do. They're going to ask you to first arrange your sticks because you're going to have some sticks to make a flat shape. Second, you will use bits of clay to connect. And then third, you will count the number of sides and corners for your shape. And then another slide is going to ask you to draw missing lines on the slide. It's going to ask you to drag the red counters. And then you're going to have to type the number of corners and sides into the blue boxes. So I'm going to help you with the hard stuff, which is not really hard for you. The hard stuff for you is going to be how to add the line to complete the shape. So the very first thing that I do is that I try to picture what the shape looks like in my head. So this right here, you see the little trapezoid. And this one is missing a line. Where's the line missing from? From the bottom. You're so smart. I'm so glad that you noticed that. So we're going to go here. This is called the menu bar. And you're going to click on the one that has lines. There's a bunch over here. So you're going to click on the one that has line and you're going to pick the very first one that says line. Once you get here, you're going to have this little cross, this little plus sign that you drag right to where you want to start it. And you go all the way to where you want to end it, like that. So if I move it, you see my line. Is my line perfect? No. Is it supposed to be? Absolutely not. Now, if you wanted to make your line a little bit thicker so your teacher can see it, I will show you how to do that. You will come here, and let me show you what that looks like again. You will highlight the line, and then you will come here to this bar, and then you can click on the points that you want. Sorry, there you go. So I made it a lot of flashing. I apologize. So I made it this side. The very first thing to do is to picture the shape in your head. So let's try another one. I wonder what shape this is. Now, if you're thinking this is a square, then you are completely correct, my friend. So let's go ahead and do the same exact thing and let's figure out how to add a line. I'm going to come here to the menu bar. I'm going to click it. I'm going to click on where it says line. Then I'm going to get my plus sign. And I'm going to drag my plus sign from where I want it to start all the way to where I want it to end. And that's it. Now, again, if you wanted to make it thicker, you can do that by clicking on it, going up here to the line option that only shows up once you click on it, and then making it a little bit darker like this. Now, I know you noticed that mine are not perfect. That's okay. They're not supposed to be. Let's do another one. Now, what shape could this be? I don't know. This looks like it's not a triangle. A rectangle, a rectangle. That's the perfect shape. So let's do it one more time. You're going to click here on line. Click on it. You're going to get the, I did not get the plus sign. Line, there you go. Now you have the plus sign. Bring it to where you want to start. Go all the way to where you want to finish. And that's it. Your line is added. Easy peasy, right? If you need some practice, I'm going to show you this app. This app is really cool because it has all the shapes already in it. So if you forget what a shape is supposed to look like or how many sides it has, you can just click here. And then once you click here, you can go ahead and practice. I'm going to use the pencil option to practice with you. I'm going to change the color so you can really see the work that I do. So I know that a triangle has 3 sides. Let me go ahead and draw them. 1, 2, and 3. So now I'm going to do this on the side without the tracing option so that I can practice what these shapes are supposed to look like. And you can go ahead and make these shapes with your pencils. You can make them with crayons, with your straws, with your chopsticks, whatever you have that can help you. Now, the final thing, when you are doing the work for your teachers, and I'm not going to help you with this one because this one you're doing on your own, remember that there are 3 parts to this. The first one is to draw the line, which now you know how to do. The second is to drag the red counter to the corners. And remember, the corners are where the 2 sides meet. So definitely one will be here. And then the third step is to write the numbers of corners and sides. And you will do this with a few more shapes. You will do it one more time here with this shape. I think you guys know what this one is, right? All right, my friends. Thank you for watching this video. My name is Claudia Avar, and I am here to help you anytime that I can. Take care, friends.